Alrighty, so now what we're going to talk about is the first thing that's going to go into the drink that we're about to make, which is the espresso beans that we're going to use. One of the most common misconceptions about espresso roasts is that espresso is roasted darker than regular coffee, which isn't necessarily true. You can use whatever coffee you want to, roasted whatever way, for espresso or regular coffee. What makes espresso espresso is the process in making the espresso and the extraction process of the coffee. The main difference is the ratio of amount of ground coffee to hot water is a lot more ground coffee than a normal cup of coffee. So in a shot of espresso, we have a lot more ground coffee and a little bit of water rather than a little bit of grounds and a lot more water. So in selecting your espresso blend for double macchiato, you're just basically going to want to pick a blend that you're comfortable with and you like the flavors, and that will make the drink taste the best to you.